In this video, we will do an overview of the WordPress dashboard and how to do some simple customizations. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. The top quick menu has some frequently used links. The first important link is the home link. It allows you to toggle back and forth between the public interface and the dashboard where you will do most of your WordPress maintenance. The second one is this little area here, which is the update link. The update link will let you know whether there is any parts, plugins, themes, or WordPress core that need to be updated. If you hover over it, you will see that in this instance we have one plugin that needs to be updated. The last important one is the new link. From here, you are able to add a new post, new media, new links, new pages, and new users. I use this link for to create my posts most of the time. The sidebar menu over here contains links to all the major areas used to maintain your WordPress site. Plugins may add menu items to this sidebar menu. The main ones that you will use most frequently are posts, media, and pages. However, if you wish to extend the functionality of your WordPress site, you can use the plugin one to install new plugins, delete, activate, or deactivate plugins. We will talk more in depth on each of these items in other videos. The content area contains a lot of information. The welcome section is displayed the first time you log in after an install or an upgrade of your WordPress site. Some plugins will also display a welcome message. You can easily hide this message by clicking the dismiss link in the upper right hand corner of the message. The at a glance section shows you the overall information about your site, such as the number of posts, the number of pages, the number of comments, the number of comments that require moderation. And more importantly, it tells you which version of WordPress core you are running and the theme. The quick draft section over here can be used to do very simple posts to your news feed. Since there are no editor options, I rarely use this. In fact, later I will show you how to hide it completely. But for now, we'll just collapse it. The activity section shows our recent post activity, comments that we have, and comments that require moderation. The WordPress news has interesting news items about WordPress as a whole, and then you could have word plugin specific areas as well. Most of these you won't care about, and we'll show you how you can hide them. The screen options section tab up here in the upper right hand corner allows you to toggle on and off sections. So in this instance, when we did the dismiss, it unchecked the welcome. If we do not want to see the quick draft, we can uncheck it. Notice how it went away. If you do not want to see some of the WordPress plugin specific sections like the AI Twitter feeds or the WordFence activity, you can uncheck those. You may or may not want to see WordPress news. I'll leave that up to you to decide. You can also, as I showed earlier, minimize and maximize areas. So if there's say the activity section or the WordPress news section that someday you might want to see, but currently you do not care about, you can collapse it and then save it. If you want to rearrange things, you can say move the activity above the news, we just left click and drag it to where we want. So now you can see our activity and at a glance and who's online